lovers, are you ready for the biggest concert of the year? It's Daddy Aid, a celebration of music and support for our very own Daddy A Salonga, happening May 25 in the Marikina Sports Center. Catch Ben and Ben, Clock 9, Guerra, Lao, Lola Amor, Sandwich, Daniel Marcova, Ibago, Moodstar 88, Six Cycle Mind, and many more. Tickets are still up for grabs at daddygame.helixpay.ph. Don't wait. Show your love and be part of this epic night of music and purpose. Puso. See you there in partnership with Wish FM 1075.
Speeding might get you there faster, but safety gets you there happier. Stick to the speed limit, enjoy the ride, and vibe with your favorite tunes. Safe driving is always in style.